So here's how you can add the screen recording in the iPad. Let's get started. So if you are new to the channel, most definitely subscribe to Foxtecc so you don't miss videos like this one. Essentially, at first, I recommend you to update to the latest software update by going to the settings, general, and then update section. So iPad OS 26 is the latest one, and this has brought many changes to the screen recording as well. So I recommend you to get that. But once you have it, just swipe down to access the control center and look for the screen recording toggle. If you cannot find it, then press on the plus button in the top left corner and then click on Add a New Control, which will make this window pop up from which you can select and add from all of the available toggles. So find screen recording. If you cannot find it easily, use the search bar and just type that in manually. Once you do add it, then it will appear in your control center. You can obviously reorganize it or just move it to a different place, perhaps even resize the toggle. And then anytime you will want to capture the screen, you can tap on it and the screen recording will begin. So it's essentially that simple. It's really not that big of a deal. It is a built-in feature, but you need to perform all of these steps to just get it started with, right? So let me know what you think below. Let me know if it did in fact work by hitting the thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the future tutorials.